Lok Sabha member M. Jagannath is in the news for all the wrong reasons. The Congress MP has been caught on camera assaulting a bank manager in his constituency, but the MP has now clearly denied he did so despite video proof. Jagannath, who is the MP of Nagara Kurnool, stormed into the Grameen Bank in Upunotala and assaulted the manager for allegedly not passing loans of the SC/ST community members in the area. Now, despite the visual evidence and a police case being filed, the MP in question, M. Jagannath, has completely denied all allegations, saying he meant to catch the bank manager's shoulder and not slap him.
I was trying to catch hold of his shoulder. I'm telling you. See, I too have seen that one. I was trying to catch hold of his. See, how can he don't implement the government of settled caste and settled tribe people? What is that he has? And I was trying to catch hold. You are bothered only to catch that one. But how about the implementation of the schemes? That's why I was trying to catch hold of his shoulder and take him to his general manager to ask in question why he was not implementing. That was the situation. I did not slap him. And meanwhile, what happened when I was trying to, he just took away his head. That went and touched his cheek. That's all. I did not slap. I did not go there to any intention of fighting with, because as a member of parliament, when people represent me, I have to solve their problems.
Well, Jagannath may deny that he hit the bank manager, but here is the irrefutable evidence. Watch the footage where Jagannath is clearly seen not just verbally abusing the bank manager, but also slapping him not once, but twice on his face. Contrary to what the MP told Times Now, there are clearly no signs of him trying to hold the manager's shoulder here.
Well, the bank manager has also gone on record about the incident, filing a complaint against the MP. Take a listen.
అన్న నా మాట కూడా రావడంతోనే ఇప్పుడు కమిటీ అపాయింట్ చేయండి, నేను తప్పు చేశాను భావిస్తే అని చెప్తే నన్ను నువ్వు అటాచ్డ్ కేసు బుక్ చేసుకోమంటావా? ఫస్ట్ ఆయన ఏమన్నంటే నేను బుక్ చేస్తాను అన్నాడు. అంటే సరే సార్, నేను చాలా చిన్నవాడిని, నేను మీకు ఎదురుపడి నిలబడేంత శక్తి నా దగ్గర లేదు, మీరు ఆ విధంగా భావిస్తే నేను ఏం చేయగలుగుతాను? నేను నా యొక్క ఉద్యోగాన్ని మాత్రం నిర్విఘ్నంగా చేస్తున్నాను, నా యొక్క రెస్పాన్సిబిలిటీ చేస్తాను. నేను ఇంకేమైనా తప్పు చేసినట్టు మీరు భావిస్తే ఒక కమిటీ అపాయింట్ చేయండి. నిజంగా తప్పు చేసినట్టు ఈ ఉద్యోగం నాకు.
And here's a look at what the MP is booked under. Now he's been slapped with a charge of Section 353 for assaulting a government employee. And he's also been booked under Section 323 for causing injuries to the employee, and also Section 504 for abusing a government employee.
Banda Ravindra Reddy was assaulted by MP Manda Jagannatham. Regarding this, a case has been registered and investigated into by CI MD Mazid. Investigation is in progress. This case will be finalized as per law. Some more witnesses are to be examined. At this stage, we cannot say all these things. Investigation is on.
Well, meanwhile, Congress spokesperson Manish Tiwari has reacted to the incident, saying the party would probe into the matter and necessary action will be taken.
Well, I've seen the footage on your channel, and we obviously would get it examined. We would ask the Honourable Member of Parliament as to in what context this particular incident took place or didn't take place. So we will look into it, and I assure you that we will take it with the seriousness it deserves.